Okay, next problem. Now you're going to get mixed numbers. That's a whole number followed by a fraction. It's like two whole pizzas and then half of another one. Now you want to write that as an improper fraction. It's really easy. Okay. First off, an improper fraction has the same denominator, 2, as the mixed number. Then to find the numerator, okay, we find the product of 2 and 2, then you add 1 to the product, which should be 5. Easy, 5 over 2. 1 and 3/16, so we know we have it over 16. The whole number times the denominator is 16 plus 3 is 19. Don't just say the answer is 19 or it's wrong. Okay, it needs to be 19 over 16 because you need an improper fraction. Just writing a 19 down isn't a fraction. 1 and 5/8. 1 times 8 is 8. Add 5 to the product, 13/8. Whole number times denominator plus that. Definitely going to want a calculator for that. Actually, that's going to be 128 plus 9 is 137. Let's see if I'm right. Entertain myself here. Yep. Sure am. $43 4/5. Okay. So 5. $2.19. Okay, 218 and 7/8, so denominator's 8. The product of 218 and 8. Add 7, 1,751. Okay, now now you're going back the other way. You're expressing the improper fraction as a mixed number. If you had the right kind of calculator, it's actually easy, but since I'm putting this on YouTube, I don't want to humiliate myself. So I'm going to show you the technique for it. And then at the end, I'll show you how to just use a calculator for it. So I do long division, 14, 5. 5 goes into 14 twice. Okay, gives me 10, then I subtract, I get 4. Now it's my remainder, okay, because there's nothing else to bring down. So I put 4 over 5, 2 and 4/5. Now if you just go, if you go 45 ABC, 14 ABC 5, that gives you what it is. Don't divide it, ABC it, okay. Thought I'd throw that out there, 63, 4, okay. 63 divided by 4, okay. 4 goes into 6 once, 4 times 1 is 4, then I minus, I get 2, I bring the 3 down. 4 goes into 23, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, so it'd be 5. Then 4 times 5, not 4 times 15, 23. There's nothing left to bring down, so that's your remainder, so it's 15 and 3/4. That 4 takes the denominator. Okay, 15 and 3/4. Okay, 79 over 16. I'm going to do this the other way because it won't go into 7. 79. 64 going 4 times. 16 times 4, 64. You got 15. So bring your remainder up, and that's your numerator. 15 over 16. ABC also gives me that too, which is fine if you use it. Okay, 87 over 8. Okay, first off, 8 goes into 8 once. 8 times 1 is 8. 8 minus 8 is 0. Bring the 7 down. 8 goes into 7 0 times, so you're actually going to put 0 up there. 8 times 0 is 0. And there's nothing left to bring down. Okay, so 10 and 7/8. Also, you know 8 goes into 87 10 times, because it wouldn't go in an 11th time, because that'd be 88. That'd be 88, too big. Next one, 47 over 32. Think about it, 32, if you go in once, it wouldn't go in a second time. So 1 and 15, 30 seconds, okay? Okay, next one, now you're finding the missing number in a proportion. 7 and 5/8 equals question mark over 32. Now what we need to do to solve this is we need to convert that into an improper fraction. So 8 goes on the denominator, and then I take 7 times 8, 56, plus 5, 61. Now again, you can cross multiply and divide, or you can also know that 8 times 4 is 32. 61 times 4 is going to be 244. Okay, that's your answer. You can put it over 32, but with the question mark, they just want the number. Okay, 3/8 equals question mark 32 for some. No, it's 81 and 3/8. My bad. Okay. Okay, so 8's a new denominator, so 81 times 8 is 648, plus 3 is 651, and again, you can cross multiply and divide, or know that 8 times 4, 65, 651 times 4. It's 2,604. Okay, now the next one, this is essentially the same procedure as what you do up here, okay? 43 divided by 7, write each quotient as a mixed number, okay? It's the same as converting a proper fraction to a mixed number. You take 47 into 43, okay? Goes in 6 times, because it doesn't go into 4, it goes into 43. 1, nothing left to bring down, so that's your remainder, 6 and 1/7. 1 4, 11 into 147, 11 into 1, no. 11 into 14 would be once. 1 times 11 is 11, then you minus, you get 3, drag your 7, that'd be 3, 33, minus, and I come up with 4. So 13 and 3/11. Also again, if you want it as a quotient as a mixed number, if you just did ABC instead of divided by, there's your mixed number. 13 and 4, why am I writing a 3? It's 4/11, okay? 258 divided by 15. Into 2, no. Into 25, yep. 15 times 1 is 15, goes in once. 10, remember to drop the 8. 15 into 108. Now, back in elementary school, you'd have to guess a number, but we're going here. Okay, 108. So it's going to be 7, and the product's 105. 3, remainder 3. 17 and 3/5. If you just want to ABC it, that's fine too. I know you might be busy with other things, that's okay. Okay, and then last one, 1,294 divided by 24. Doesn't go into 1, doesn't go into 12, 129 it should go into. 24, so 120 would be the product, it goes in 5 times. I get 9, you got to bring down the 4. 24 into 94 would be 3 times. 72. Okay, 22. So it'd be 22 over 24. Now that does reduce, okay? It reduces to 11/12. Because each of those can be divided by a factor of 2. And if I ABC it though, it takes me right to the boom. Okay. Hope that was informative. JK, joking. Okay. And you got your sign.